Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a 3D section in Revit using the section box. And without wasting much of your precious time, let's begin. Now, to make a 3D section view in Revit, you need to understand the difference between making a 2D section view and that of 3D section view. 2D section view, first of all, you need to select the section line under 2D and then make a line just like that. Of course, I have a video where I detail how you can make, you see the link of that video on the card above. Make this section, and of course, if you double click here, it's going to take you to the section. But for that of 3D section view, move to the 3D view, then come to the property panel and navigate to section box. Check the section box, select the section box and use these drag points to cut the section at any level from the top or from the side. You can cut it to whichever point it pleases you, and then you can use this to change the position. And if you're okay with what you have, you can go ahead and render it, or maybe you pull this up to include the roof, then move to graphic display option. Change the visual style. You can turn it to hidden or you can turn it to shaded, as the case may be. And then again, you can add some feel to it by choosing the graphic display option, by checking this, apply. You might also wish to hide the section box by right clicking and then you go hide elements. You can also choose to render the view if you so wish by selecting here on this rendering dialog box. All right, this is medium, high, best. Okay, we'll leave it on draft, then printer 150 dpi. We can go ahead and make a quick one. This is color. We can choose the color here is white, and let's hit render just to have a quick render of feet. Alright, this is what we have, but we can set it up further to have the best of it. So I can return to show model and close this. Now, if you want to undo it, all you have to do is to go back to the properties panel and uncheck this, or you can save the view. So this is how to make a 3D section in Revit. And if you've learned anything new, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more Revit tips. Like and share this video so that more people can see and also benefit from it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.